Craft a memorable first impression for your Webflow website by building a professional, responsive header. We'll start by adding a section element. This will act as the main container for our header, ensuring it's visually distinct and holds all our components. Inside this section, we'll add the NavBar element. This is Webflow's dedicated navigation component, giving us a head start with built-in functionality. The NavBar comes with a placeholder logo and navigation links. Let's begin by customizing the logo. Select the logo placeholder and replace it with your brand's image. You can drag and drop your logo file or choose from your media library. Ensure it's sized appropriately for optimal display. Next, let's refine the navigation links. Select each link block and rename them to correspond with your website's pages. Common examples include home, about, services, and contact. To create space for additional elements like a call to action button, we'll add a div block next to the logo. This will help us structure our header content. Within this div block, we'll add a button element. This is perfect for a primary call to action, such as get started or sign up. Customize the button's text to clearly communicate its purpose and apply a distinct background color to make it stand out. Now, let's fine-tune the header's spacing. Select the main section element and adjust the top and bottom padding to create comfortable vertical breathing room. Observe how the NavBar element behaves. We can easily adjust its alignment to ensure all elements are neatly centered and balanced. For the navigation links, let's adjust their font size and color to match your brand's aesthetic and improve readability. Consistency is key for a professional look. Crucially, we need to ensure our header is responsive. Switch to tablet and mobile views to see how it adapts. Webflow's NavBar automatically transforms into a hamburger menu on smaller screens, maintaining a clean and user-friendly experience. You can further refine the appearance of the mobile menu toggle button by adjusting its padding and styling to match your design. And there, you have it, a professional and responsive header built with Webflow, ready to welcome your visitors and guide them through your site.